Hi guys, I'm Megan Horner, credit cards publisher at Finder.com. So my luxury card gold card just expired, so they sent me a new one. And I thought this would be a really good time to do an unboxing with you guys. Here's the package that the credit card comes in. Compared to your typical credit card that comes in an envelope, this is definitely the most epic packaging and unboxing I've seen for a credit card. So let's open it up and take a look. And here you can see there is another box inside of the cardboard box with our credit card. And this is a pretty nice box here that they house the credit card in. So there's a little magnetic flap here that I open up. And here's some materials that they give you about the features of the card. Underneath that, they give you this little mouse pad, luxury card mouse pad. And then here is the actual credit card. And I snuck in here and put in the pink tape since this is my actual credit card. But you can see that they have it on this little luxurious wooden platform that's designed just to hold the card. And then underneath that, there are some the card holder agreement for the credit card. So the gold card is actually made of gold. The front of the card is 24 karat gold plated over a stainless steel back here. And the card is 22 grams, it weighs more than any other metal credit card. I actually have my Chase Sapphire Preserve here as a comparison, and I can definitely feel the difference. The gold card is a bit heavier. The gold card is definitely a card to throw down at a restaurant to look like a high roller when you're paying. I always have to remind my husband not to use the gold card at restaurants though, because we actually have other cards in our family that earn more points at restaurants. Which brings me to the rewards on this card. With the gold card, you earn 1 point for every dollar you spend, but you redeem it at the rate of 2% for cashback or travel. So it's essentially like earning 2% back for your purchases, which makes this a really good flat rate cashback card. But like I said before, in my family, we use different credit cards for tiered reward spending. So for like gas or restaurants, we might get more points with a different card. And then we use this card when it's all other type of purchases. So if we aren't gonna earn more on a specific category, we'd use this gold card. Now, I do have to address the elephant in the room when it comes to the gold card, and that is the annual fee. This credit card does come with a $995 annual fee, which is pretty hefty. It does come with quite a bit of perks to offset that annual fee, but like with any credit card we review at Finder.com, we always advise you guys to make sure you're actually using those benefits enough to merit paying an annual fee, no matter how high or low the annual fee is. So let's go over the benefits of this card that can help offset that annual fee. This card comes with a $200 airline credit every year, and do note that you have to buy directly through the airline. You can't buy through a third-party site to get that credit. Another credit that they have is the $100 global entry and TSA pre-check credit. And then there's also access to Priority Pass select lounges, which I personally love. Another thing that's really cool about this card is it actually has some travel benefits that other credit cards and issuers are doing away with. And so those are benefits like trip accident insurance, trip cancellation insurance, baggage delay insurance, and actually this card will give you cell phone protection coverage if you pay your cell phone bill with the card. And that could be a really valuable perk as well. Another noteworthy feature of this card is the luxury card concierge service. At Finder, we've done quite a bit of tests pitting different credit card concierge services against each other. And the luxury card concierge service frequently came in with more efficient answers and quicker answers. One thing that's really cool about the luxury card concierge service is there's an app that you can just log in and ask your questions. So this is compared to having to call on the phone and ask your questions to a person. I actually use my concierge service quite a bit. Recently, I had my 11-year wedding anniversary and I didn't make any reservations for dinner. So the day of, I went on my app, I asked them if they could find me any nice restaurants to get a reservation at. They responded immediately with follow-up questions, and they were immediately researching and trying to find me a restaurant for that same day. I realize that not everyone is going to be comfortable using a concierge service, or just not something that they would remember to do. But if you will use a concierge service, the luxury card concierge service is definitely a selling point of this card. Now back to the unboxing. You can see that the card comes with all this informational materials that go over the features of the card and how to use them, such as the concierge, the travel, and different benefits. And there's information on the back here on how to use each one of these perks. And then underneath the card is the actual cardholder agreement here. If you don't want to trudge through all these technical details, you can always check out our credit card reviews on finder.com. We break down all these details in easy to understand guides. Overall, unboxing the luxury card gold card is a more luxurious and grand experience than getting your typical credit card in the mail, which is the whole point. They want to create a luxury brand feel from the moment you get your credit card in the mail. So what do you guys think? Are you intrigued to learn more? If you want to know more about the luxury card gold card, check out the link in the description and you'll be taken to finder.com's review of the card. And if you're interested in applying, you can apply there as well. On the other hand, if you're not sold on the luxury card gold card, check out the other credit card reviews on Finder. We have new guides that are added daily. And make sure you don't miss our next unboxing or credit card review by clicking the subscribe button here.